Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glide cam step by step. Balance the camera by adjusting the counterweight and tilt, then tighten clamps securely. Use a neutral spine and bend knees to absorb motion while walking. Practice piston and crab steps slowly to feel the gimbal response. Keep arms relaxed and follow the subject with gentle pans and tilts. Check balance again after changing lens or battery. Start slow and learn foundational moves on the glide cam. Begin with the piston to move vertically and the crab to translate sideways. Combine small pans and tilts while keeping the subject framed. Keep your core engaged and breathe steadily to reduce shake. Increase speed and flow only after you can hold smooth lines for several takes. Review footage and adjust balance or posture between attempts to improve consistency daily. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Also, a fun tip: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth makes a great companion for budgeting film gear. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After mastering basics, experiment with lens choices and subject distance for different feels. Use a wider lens for dynamic foreground motion and a longer lens to compress background. Monitor horizon and use a nodding motion rarely to imply pitch. When using gimbals with follow modes, practice transitions from locked to follow smoothly. Keep equipment maintained and inspect mounts, screws, and batteries before each shoot to prevent mid-take failures regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.